Hello. So recently I caught wind of a new feature that quietly dropped in Relevance AI, and I wanted to see how easy it was to pick up. Introducing Nova, a Twitter bot that posts a quip about NASA's astronomy picture of the day every day. Each day, this bot goes ahead and activates and looks at NASA's picture of the day, this thing over here. So every day this thing will be a new picture, and they'll have an explanation on what this is, and it'll make a comment on it every day. So how these tools work is it's pretty simple. We'll just open this up and have a look. So there's no real input here because the only input here is the NASA picture of the day, which changes by the date. So if we go ahead and run this, it'll hit the NASA API endpoint for the picture of the day. And we have our API key here, which you can get for free on their website. And we have a LM vision step to translate the picture into text. So this is just getting it to describe what it's seeing. And it gives us a whole paragraph of description on what this thing looks like. And that's the entirety of the tool. It outputs the LM Vision answer, the date, the explanation over here, and also the title. The next tool that it uses is Post to X. So this is the new feature I wanted to explore. All it does is you can add your Twitter account here, take a Twitter account and have it post. So once it posts, it'll look something like this, and all of this is automated AI generated little quips on the picture of the day. So this is pretty easy to set up. All you need is your Twitter account and what you want to post. And after that, we have our message agent tool. What this does is you put it into your agent, you give it the agent ID of itself. So this agent ID is found when you make a new task here. This first string of characters here, this is your agent ID. So you can put this into this field here. This is how often we want it to run. So because we want it every day, we'll do this every day and have it be the number 1. And this is the standard instruction to give the agent. This is our agent input. Activate and make a short, cute comment, quip, or remark about NASA's picture of the day. And the agent is gonna receive this message. So now we can see that once it's finished those 3 tools, it gives us this response. And you can see that it's also gone and started this task here, which will activate tomorrow. It's gonna schedule itself for this. And once this arrives, it will do these tasks again and make another little message here. So yeah, that's all it is. Pretty simple. I might give it a new directive down the line, perhaps something more useful like daily weather quips. But yeah, that's it. Generally, this is mostly just a proof of concept project, just to show how easy it is to set up a bot that activates every day and does some posts on Twitter. But yeah, did this in an hour or less. And all the downloads for this will be in the description below. What you do with this information is up to you. Yeah, go wild, be chaotic, but please be responsible, because yeah, you make bots, and bots are strong. But yeah, have fun. See you.